We've just received some of the most important news of the year, showing that the Federal Open Market Committee has officially adjusted interest rates by cutting 50 basis points. In this time, despite the crazy news, Bitcoin was barely reacted at all. We briefly moved up to $61,000, but have since adjusted back to nearly break even on the daily candle. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about this news and give you a longer term outlook on Bitcoin based on what we know. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident, and as of today, we are 218 wins and 0 losses in our membership trades. We have a future forecast episode out for you to check. There's actually 2 of them from yesterday. It's going to very much pertain to the news we got today. Be sure to watch that as soon as possible, and if you don't have a membership, you can sign up in the links in the description down below for 25% off your first month. We're going to dive right into it because this is important. I'm going to say right off the bat, we are expecting longer term moves down, even if we get a short term pump. We will explain that further, so stay tuned. Jumping right into the news, Fed cuts interest rates by 50 basis points and Bitcoin briefly hits $61,000. Market participants were uncertain about the size of the rate cut prior to the Fed meeting, laying out the groundwork for market volatility. And that is exactly what we got with a short term, I'm talking almost a flash up and down of about $1,000 in each direction. The U.S. Federal Reserve lowered its benchmark Fed funds rate by 50 basis points to 4.75 to 5% on Wednesday, marking the first rate cut in 4 years after the central bank's most aggressive hiking cycle. The committee has gained greater confidence that inflation is moving sustainably towards 2% and judges that the risks to achieving its employment and inflation goals are roughly in balance. The press release said, "The economic outlook is uncertain and the committee is attentive to the risks to both sides of its dual mandate." Fed members expect the median benchmark rates to come down to 4.4% by year end, reflecting some 50 basis points more cuts in the next 2 Federal Open Market Committee meetings, according to the Fed's quarterly economic projection. And that's up from only 1 cut projected in June. These are some interesting statistics that happened right after the FOMC decision. Price of Bitcoin shot up 1.2% to $61,000 before pairing gains. U.S. equities also jumped higher, with the tech-heavy NASDAQ up 0.8% and the S&P 500 gaining 0.6%. This one's really cool. Gold surged 0.8% to hit a new all-time high over $2,600. The U.S. dollar, however, the DXY weakened 0.5% to 100.3 and is a key metric to watch for risk asset prices, according to CoinDesk analyst James Van Straten. Guys, this is probably some of the biggest news that we will see for the remainder of the year. And as a trader, this means we could expect some moves up. I won't lie to you. Over the next month, we may see some shorter term moves up, but historically, I'm talking over and over and over again, rate cuts typically result in stock market drops, and we have yet to find any point in history where a stock market drop does not correlate directly to a drop in Bitcoin, and from there, Bitcoin to the rest of the cryptocurrency market. This means we need to be very careful before we see any bull market moves. Now, we cover these reasons more in our future forecast episodes up here, so be sure to watch those closely. But in this video, I'm actually going to focus on how you can catch the bottoms to maximize your profit. Because these moves happen on such a large time frame, we're going to actually switch to the weekly. This is where larger moves in the market happen. They take longer time periods, but when you get the signals, or at least the combination of signals that I'm about to show you, this is when you can expect massive moves up. Put simply, we're looking for a buy signal. We want to see price versus while money flow low, and we want to see trades in favor low. This combination is called the bullish trifecta, and most often it's going to result in insane, mind-boggling bull market starting moves up. Price versus while money flow means that whales have oversold and are likely to buy back in. And where whale money goes, the price is likely to go too. So as whales begin buying back in, we can be assured that the price is likely to move up too. Now, trades in favor low means that downwards momentum has likely run out and we should be bouncing back to the upside soon. Pretty simple there, and a buy or strong buy signal typically indicates the ideal candle to make your entry on. Each of these is bullish on their own, but together, forming the bullish trifecta, guys, need I say more other than this is the signal combination we've used to earn 218 wins in a row. Now on the weekly time frame, we're going to be setting some alerts for Bitcoin. The larger moves down are what we're looking to catch for the bottom, so this is why we're using the weekly time frame in this instance. Go to your alerts tab, click create alert. We're going to head over to the trades in favor, watch for pump, once per bar close, and we're going to name it Bitcoin 1 day watch for pump. Click create. 2 more signals to go. This time it's going to be the TC top and bottom finder. Keep it at a buy signal once per bar close and name it Bitcoin 1 day buy. Click create. One last alert, TC top and bottom finder again. This time it's a strong buy once per bar close and name it Bitcoin 1 day strong buy. Click create. These 3 alerts are going to help you catch the bullish trifecta even if you are away from your computer. It's really important that you catch these bottoms because money can be made in the bull market, but wealth is built when you buy low in the bear market. Bitcoin 1 day watch for pump will let you know when the trades in favor has fallen and closed in the long trade zone. This is a rare occurrence, but when it happens on the weekly, you need to get ready for big moves up. The strong buy and the buy signal will of course let you know if you get a buy or a strong buy signal, again most often resulting in large moves up in the market. If you see a watch for pump signal, check to see if price versus while money flow is low and be ready for a buy or strong buy signal. If you get a buy or strong buy alert, check to see if price versus while money flow low and trades in favor is low, and if you see those, you might just have the next ideal entry to set you up for the bull run that inevitably happens after a rate cut bear market. With that in mind, guys, I need you to have these indicators loaded up on your charts. It's imperative that you're paying attention to these signals on the weekly time frame. Of course, you can set them for the daily too, but weekly is where we're looking right now. It's crucial if you want to maximize your profits, just as these traders did, earning 10% profit with our indicators, earning 50 to 70% in a week, earning 103% in 34 days, turning $2,000 into $10,000 in a month, and it just goes on. These results are a reality and can be for you too once you have these indicators on your charts. Our members get access to these indicators for up to $550 off with the extra discounts afforded to our members. Members also get access to future forecast episodes, trade setups, metrics across 40 coins, morning brew overviews, and our Inner Circle live Zoom hangout coming up later this month. Links are in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more. Membership is the first link. Click that, and it's going to bring you to our membership sign up page. Go through this process. You're going to get 25% off your first month. And once you have that, head back to the indicator page, scroll down. Pro Indicator Pack is what you're looking for. And members, your first $150 off can be found with the coupon code at this link. Once you have that, click Pro Indicator Pack, scroll down, click I want this, throw in that membership code, fill in your information, click pay, and it's going to offer you the TC top and bottom finder for $400 off, giving you a full $550 discount. Go ahead and click add to cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. And with that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I will see you in the membership today for our future forecast episodes. Don't miss out.